Hi friends, in this session of Vedic Mathematics, we are studying the general technique. In general technique, we study crisscross system of multiplication if both multipliers have 3 digits. In last session, we have studied about the 2 digits. Now, I explain you how we multiply these 3 digits numbers if both the multiplier have 3 digits. Here you see we have to multiply 423 with 147. Traditionally, it is very lengthy process. First, I would like to explain you how we traditionally multiply this. We multiply this unit place with all the digits of another number. 7 3 times 21, 2 carry. 7 2 times 16, 1 carry. 7 4 times 28 plus 1 29. So this we have got 1. Now we put one cross here on the unit place of our result, and we multiply the number with tens digit 4. So here we multiply 423 with 4. So 4 3 times 12, 2, 1 carry. 4 2 times 8 plus 1 9, we have to put down here. 4 4 times 16, we have to put down here. Now in next step we put 2 cross here on the right side of this result, and now we multiply this 423 with 1, the hundreds place number. 1 multiplied with 3 is 3, 1 multiplied with 2 is 2, and 1 multiplied with 4 is 4. Now we add up these all. First we draw one line here, and now we add up these all. Now we add this. Here we have to write down 1, 6 plus 2 8, 9 plus 9 18, plus 3 21, 2 carry, 2 plus 2 4, plus 6 10, 12, 2 1 carry, 1 plus 1 2, plus 4 6. So it is 62181. So it is 62181. This is the product of 423 and 147. Now it is very lengthy process. If we have to multiply with the technique of Vedic mathematics, the crisscross method of multiplication, we see how we multiply this. So first of all, I would like to write this number here. I arrange this number here: 4 2 3 1 4 7, and I draw one line here. Okay, now how we will multiply with the technique of crisscross multiplication, I explain you. First of all, we would multiply unit place number. 3 7 times 21, we have to put 1 here, and 2 carry we will put here. Now we multiply this diagonal, the diagonal of tens and ones place, left hand side 2 digits. So we get here 2 multiplied by 7 and 4 multiplied by 3, and we have to add it up, and adding also the carried number. So I explain you here: 2 into 7 plus 4 into 3 plus 2. 2 is this number we have to add here. So it is 14 plus 12 plus 2. So it is 28 now. So we have to put down here 8 and 2 carry we have to take. Now what we have to do here? Now we have to multiply this diagonal and this middle number to each other and add it up all. So I explain you how we will do it. 4 into 7 plus 3 into 1, 2 into 4 plus carried number. So look at here, 4 7 times 28, 3 1 times 3, 2 4 times 8 plus 2. 28 plus 3 31 plus 8 39 plus 2 41. So we put down here 1 and 4 carry. Now what we have to do here? Now we multiply these diagonals. These two numbers, right side we have this pair of two numbers, we have to multiply the diagonals in crisscross technique. So I explain you and add up these 4 also there. We have to multiply 4 into 4 plus 1 into 2 plus this 4. We have to, it is carried we have. So it is 16 plus 2 plus 4. So it is 22. So I will write down here 2 and 2 carried I put here. Now finally we have to multiply first digits here. 4 1 times 4, 4 plus 2 6. So here you see 62181, 62181. So this is our answer of this multiplication of this product. So it's very easy technique. In the one row you could easily multiply this. Now we take another example. Now we have to multiply 386 with 429. So I write down here 386 and 429 429. I draw one line under this. Okay. Now we start the multiplication. First we have to multiply unit place number 6 9 times. It is 54. So 4 we have to write down here and 5 carried. Now the second step, we have to multiply these last 2 digits with a cross Criss technique. The diagonally we have to multiply this and add up the carried number. So what we do, we multiply 8 with 9 and 2 with 6 and add it up. Now we multiply 8 into 9 plus 2 into 6 plus 5. 5 is this carried number we have to put here. 8 9 times 72, 2 6 times 12 plus 5. So here we have 72 plus 12 plus 5, which is 89. So I write down here 9 and 8 carried. Now what we have to do, we have to multiply first column and this third column diagonally. So we multiply in this way. So and this middle column vertically we have to multiply and add the carried number. So this process we have to follow here. So I multiply this all. I multiply 3 into 9 this diagonal, then 4 into 6 plus 4 into 6 plus vertically 8 into 2 and plus this 8 what we have carried. 3 9 times 27, 4 6 times 24, 8 2 times 16 plus 8. So here if we add it up, here you see 27 plus 24 plus 16 plus 8. So it is 48 and 27 55 75 we have. So I write down here 5 and 7 carried. Now we have to crisscross multiply these two columns, column 1 and column 2. Only diagonally we have to multiply this. So we multiply in this way. I explain you here on the left side. So 3 into 2 plus 4 into 8, and this carried number we have to add here. 3 2 times 6, 4 8 times 32 plus 7, 38 plus 7, 45 we have here. So we have to write down here 5 and 4 carried. Now what we have to do, we have to multiply this first column vertically. So 3 4 times 12, 12 plus 4 is 16. So you get here 165594. So the product of this would be 16554. So this would be the reply of this multiplication. Now one more example we see. Let us first write down this sum here. 3 6 4 2 8 3. Now I draw one line under this, and now we start the multiplication. First of all, we have to multiply this third column. This is our first column, this is our second column, this is our third column. So this third column vertically. So I write down here also, so you could easily understand C1, C2 and C3. So the C3 we have to multiply vertically. So we get here 4 3 times 12. I am writing down 2 and 1 carried I am putting here. Now the second process, we know that we have to multiply second and third column diagonally by the crisscross technique and add it up. Here I write down 6 into 3 plus 8 into 4, and this carried one I have to add up here. So 6 3 times 18, 8 4 times 32 plus 1. So it is 51 now. So I have to write down here 1 and 5 carried. Now what we have to do, we have to multiply column 1 and column 3 diagonally and column second or the middle column vertically. In this way we have to multiply this. So I multiply this 3 3 times plus 2 4 times plus 6 8 times plus carried number 5. 3 3 times 9, 2 4 times 8, 6 8 times 48 plus 5. So here you see 9 plus 8 17 plus 48 65 plus 5 70. So we got here 70. I write down here 0 and 7 carried. Now we have to diagonally multiply column 1 and column 2. So I write down here 3 into 8 plus 2 into 6, and the carried number is 7 here we have. So 3 8 times 24, 2 6 times 12 plus 7. It is 36 plus 7, 43. So I write down here 3 and 4 carried I am taking. Finally, we have to multiply first column vertically. 3 2 times 6, and this carried number we have to add up there. So it is 10. 6 plus 4 is 10. So 103012. This is the answer of our this multiplication. 103012. So this is our final reply of this multiplication. Now we take one more example. Here you see the first number which we have to multiply, 455, having 3 digits, and the another number 67, we have only 2 digits. How we would multiply this? So I explain you. It's very easy. There is no, don't have to bother about this all matter. So first I write 4 5 5, and here we have 6 7. So and this there is no number, so I put down here 0. It's very easy, but we have fulfilled the condition. Now I draw one line here. First column, this is our second column, this is our third column. First we multiply this third column vertically, 5 7 times 35, 3 carry, and then we multiply second and third column diagonally with the crisscross technique. So we have to multiply in this way. So I multiply here 5 into 7 plus 6 into 5, and this carried number I have to add up here also. So 5 7 times 35, 6 5 times 30 plus 3. So it is 68 now. So I have to write down here 8 and 6 carry. Now we have to multiply column 1 and column 3 diagonally and column 2 vertically and add it up with this carried number. So we multiply this in this way. Okay, so I am multiplying here 4 into 7 plus 0 into 5 plus 5 into 6 plus 6. 6 is this carried number we are taking as 4 7 times 28, 0 5 times 0, 5 6 times 30 plus 6. So it is 58 plus 6, 64. I write down here 4 and 6 carry. Now what we have to do? We have to multiply column 1 and column 2 diagonally. So I write down here 4 into 6 plus 0 into 5 plus this carried number 6 we have to take. 4 6 times 24 plus 0 plus 6, it is 30 now. So we have to put down here 0 and 3 carried. Now finally we have to multiply this vertically and add up this. So 4 0 times 0 plus 3 is 3. So it is 30485. So we have 30485. So this is our reply of this question. Now we have to multiply 253 with 6 to 8. So I write down this here 2 5 3 6 2 8. Now I draw a line here. In this way. Now first of all what we have to do, we have to multiply these I write down here column number. This is our first column, this is our second column, this is our third column. So first of all we have to multiply the third column vertically, 3 with 8, 3 8 times we get 24. So I write down here 4 and 2 carry. Now we have to multiply column 2 and column 3 diagonally. The crisscross multiplication we have to do here. So I write down in this way. I multiplied these and write down here 5 into 8 plus 2 into 3. Then add up this carried number we have to here. So 5 8 times it is 40, 2 3 times it is 6 plus 2, so it is 48 now. So I write down here 8 and 4 carry. Now what we have to do, we have to multiply first and third column diagonally and second column vertically, and add up with these all with this carried number. Okay, so first I mention here in this way we have to multiply. So we multiply 2 with 8 plus 6 with 3 plus 5 with 2 and add up these 4. We are adding this 4 here. So 2 8 times 16, 6 3 times 18, 5 2 times 10 plus 4. So it is, we have 16 plus 18, it is 34, 44, it is 48 now. So we have 48, so I write down here 8 and 4 carry. Now we have to multiply column 1 and column 2 diagonally with crisscross technique. So and add up this carried number with this. So I write down here 2 into 2 plus 6 into 5 plus 4. So 2 2 times which is 4, 6 5 times which is 30, and it is 4. So we got here 38. So I write down here 8 and 3 carried. Now what we have to do, we have to multiply this column vertically, column 1 vertically. 2 6 times 12, 12 plus 3 is 15. So we have got here 1 5 8 8 8 4. So I write down here 1 5 8 8 8 4. So in this way we could multiply the 3 digits number with crisscross technique.